What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Audi S5 remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2020 to 2022 Audi S5 and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Now I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and if we take a look at the bottom of it, this is the slot that this emergency key just slid out of. What I'm going to do is take my key and push it in that slot, but I'm going to come in here at an angle like this. So come in here at an angle, and then I'm going to push it in, and as I do that, it's going to pop this back cover up. So come here at an angle and push in, and then as you see, it pops that back cover up just a little bit. I'm just going to get my finger on it like this and pull that off. If you're unable to pull that off with your finger, you can grab a small flathead screwdriver to help. And what's going on there when I'm pushing in is I'm actually pushing on this little tab right here. When I'm coming at an angle and pushing on that tab, that's what pops that cover up. Once we get that cover off, we see our battery right here. I'm just going to get my finger on the top of this right here and get it out of that little holder. Now I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side up. Positive side up, and I'm going to tuck this bottom part in first like this and then snap the battery down into place. Then we'll put our cover back on, and if you notice there's these two tabs on the top of that cover, that's what I'm going to slide in first. Slide those two tabs in and then snap it down. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.